Hello! Well, close to the morning, and this is the first topic time with Matthew. It's the only segment right now that has nothing to do with games, because since my talking channel doesn't have that many views, I'll be putting a segment called Topic Time with Matthew up on my channel. So this topic, YouTubers will be next. I promise you that. But there's something else that's a little bit more special. Snowstorms. Snowstorms, I live in Canada, right? So you like a snowstorm. So here's the story. I was at my dad's, and my mom was going to pick me up. So when my mom picked me up, she said I barely got out of the driveway. I'm like, yeah, I know. And we drove, and right when we were pulling in onto the condo, the car literally went up like this. Look, here's my hand. Boop. Or like this. Boop. It was kind of like that. I literally bounced up. It was a little scary, but and I can show you the snowstorm right now. Let's try my best. Look at that. The snowstorm. It doesn't look as bad as you thought it would be, but down over here, it's a little worse. It was much worse yesterday. So yeah, it was much worse yesterday. Yesterday's when all the snow was coming down, and it's going into some parts of the USA, and right now it's hit Canada. Drinking McDonald's orange juice. Best orange juice ever. So yeah, snowstorms. You might think they're not as bad as you thought it would be, but I forgot my boots, and when I came out, I was wearing no socks, and I was wearing shoes to go up to get into the car of my mom's. Some of the snow got into my shoes. That was pretty bad. I have a little bit of a cold right now. I'm trying not to blow my nose. I probably won't need to. Crap. Oh well. So let me show you one more look. Since I live in a condo, we're kind of on the 12th floor of our building. Oh, the building's over there. I can't use it. Yeah, right there. Pretty bad. I never went to school either. You're allowed to go to school, but in that case, I never did because I didn't have any boots. I did, but I just forgot them, and I never went to school. And I played with my friend Celine, and we went on the laptop. We made a video on my other channel called Piano Wars, and yeah. And I hope you liked the first episode of Topic Time with Matthew. The Roblox updates will be later tonight. Bye! Meow meow! Or that's what they'll do. Meow!